Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube Studio. Something's not right, try again problem in YouTube application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in YouTube application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search YouTube app. Update your YouTube application latest version. You make sure your YouTube application is up to date. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Go to Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all of the 3 steps to fix YouTube Studio something not right, try again problem in YouTube Studio or dashboard problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.